Growing up, we didn't have a lot of money at times, so we lived on Jiffy products. And I think you used to be able to catch these at Kroger 10 for a dollar some days. The cornbread's great. Those apple cinnamon muffins. You could get the pizza crust. And now, lately, I've been making this one at home, and I bought some originally. I got some of the apple cinnamon and the cornbread because I still like them. It's one of those things that doesn't matter how much money I make, I'll probably still eat Jiffy products. But I thought I used to do something in the office. I would go in and cook for everybody in the morning. I'd make waffles every once in a while. And then I started thinking, what if I just put brownie batter in the waffle iron? Could I make some really quick brownies for everybody? So what I do is I get a box of this, 89 cents. You need an egg, you need a couple tablespoons of oil, splash of water. You're probably making these for a little over $1. I add, you don't have to do this, but it's what I do because I think it comes out a little better in the waffle iron. I add a tiny bit more oil. I'll add about a tablespoon of sugar and a dash of vanilla bean. You mix that up, pour it into a waffle maker. 2 minutes, these things are done. You can get one of those little. They got these little tiny ones for like $9-10. You can get them at Walmart. You can get a gingerbread man. They got, they make them for little kids, but whatever. It's like the perfect size little waffle maker, and you can just bust out these tiny little waffle snacks. You can put a dollop of ice cream on them if you want, but those little ones I can make about 6 small waffles are probably, 4 inches across or so. It's like maybe like a 4-inch waffle maker. I can get 6 out of one box. And that'll last me about 10 minutes. So, but it's one of those things that you don't gotta like make it all up and then bake it for 45 minutes. This stuff's $1. And it's probably the best brownie you're gonna have for $1. And don't even bake it. Put it in a waffle maker. Do the little modifications I just told you. I also do maybe, I would say 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Because I want the batter to be a little runnier. Just so I can squeeze out, another waffle or so. But you don't want them too dense coming out of the waffle iron when you think about how they're cooked. So I like a tiny bit thinner batter. I guess you could add more water. I use milk. But that's it. That's my hack. Get yourself some Jiffy mix. Add some milk to it. Add a tablespoon of sugar, vanilla if you want to. You need an egg. Whip that stuff up. And then right in the waffle iron. This will be the best $1 box of Jiffy fudge brownies you've ever had. So if you do it, drop a comment below. Let me know how they come out. Kids love them. Everyone loves them. And it's something that's so easy to make and it's so fast. But that is my little hack for the holidays here. Until then, I'm going to catch you on the next one.